Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this really sleek and portable battery-operated label maker from InkWon. Thank you guys for sending this. This actually, you download an app that you can work with your phone, which is really nice. And by simply opening up the app here, it allows you to customize labels that you can print out. I'm going to kind of show you. This actually prints really simply, very easily, and it connects directly into here and prints out your label so that you can then peel it off and stick it on something. Now this prints out at 203 dpi, which is dots per inch, which makes it a very crisp there as well. And this does have the ability to peel and stick off of this so that you can stick that onto anything that you're wanting to label, which is great. As far as the consumables go, it's very easy to load and unload. You simply unlock the top here. It's going to open this up. The roll will come out. You insert a new roll and then place it close. Now it automatically will align when you go to do the next one. In order to charge this up, very simple, they send you with this USB-C to USB-A port charger that you can simply plug in and charge it up, which works great. You can edit this any which way that you want. You have a way to do continuous labels, gap labels, transparent labels, any kind of thing, or you can use the template that they've provided to then go ahead and load some templates that you can use to do some various adjustments on those, which gives you a lot of really neat versatility. This would work great if you want to use this for home or in the classroom, pretty much work or anywhere else that you need a nice label maker.